Okay, so we're moving on to reverse percentage change now. Could you write the title in your blue books and then a subtitle of multipliers? There are two formulas I want you to write down, and each has the word multiplier in it. And the new amount and the original amount are two amounts of something before and after a percentage change. I'd like you to write down the example, those two sentences, and we're going to attempt this example starting by finding out what the multiplier is. So to find a multiplier, we're always going to start with 100%, and we are going to add or subtract the percentage given in the question. Now, in the question it says 15% off, so that means we take 15% off of 100%. It's really key that you're looking for the words in the question and not just the numbers. This gives us 85%. We need to turn that into a decimal, and that decimal is the multiplier. So that's what the multiplier is, and that's how you're going to find it. The second part to this question is to decide, is the answer that you're being asked for the original amount or the new amount? Well, actually, in a sale, the sale price is the new amount. So the original price is the original amount. So we have to use that lower of the two formulas, the new amount divided by the multiplier. And this undoes the percentage change. And it gives us exactly 30. You must do it this way. You can't add or subtract a number onto 25.5. It simply does not work that way. I'd like to pause the video and write down the second example. And we're going to start by identifying the multiplier. The key words are the words gains and the number 12%. So gains means increase by. So we add our 12% to 100%, gives us 112%. And as a decimal, that is 1.12. Again, we're looking through the question to decide whether our answer is the original amount or the new amount. Now, Mr. Hubbard's body mass at the end is going to be the new amount, because that's my new mass. At the start, that's the original amount, because that's what it was at the beginning. So I have to use that second formula again. We are going to be putting our new amount over the multiplier into our calculator, and when we do that, we come out with 85.